Want Kali Linux for ethical hacking but scared of wiping Windows? I'll show you how to set up VirtualBox and install Kali step by step, 100% safe and perfect. Step 1. Enable virtualization. This is critical for virtual machines. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager, then Performance tab and CPU. Check virtualization status. If it's already enabled, continue to next step. If it is not enabled, restart your computer and enter the BIOS settings by pressing respective BIOS key. Then enable virtualization. This is an HP laptop, so I'm pressing F10 to enter the BIOS settings. Once the BIOS appears, go to the Advanced tab, select System Options, and enable VTX. Then press F10 to save the changes and restart your computer. Step 2. Download required files. Open your browser and go to virtualbox.org. Download VirtualBox and the extension pack. Now go to kali.org and click on Download. Select the installer image and download the x86_60 version, which is supported on all Windows computers. Step 3. Installation process. Right-click on the downloaded VirtualBox Setup file and select Run as administrator. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If you're new to my channel, please consider like the video and subscribing so you don't miss upcoming ethical hacking videos. Step 4. VirtualBox extension pack installation. Open the installed VirtualBox and click on the extension pack icon as shown on the screen. Then click Install and locate the downloaded extension pack file. Click OK and agree to the license agreement to complete the installation. Step 5. Set up Kali Linux virtual machine. Click on New and enter a name for your virtual machine, for example, Kali. Then select the downloaded Kali ISO image by clicking on the drop-down menu and locating the folder where you saved the file. Set the OS type by choosing Linux as the operating system, Debian as the distribution, and Debian 64-bit as the version. Now select the base memory of at least 2 or 4 GB. Set the CPU cores to a minimum of 2. And choose at least 20 GB of disk space, depending on your system. And now click Finish. Now right-click on the created Kali virtual machine to access more settings. Click on General. Then go to the Advanced tab and set Shared Clipboard and drag and drop to bidirectional. This allows you to copy, paste, and drag files between your host computer and the virtual machine. Now click on Display, go to Video Memory, and set it to at least 128 MB. Under Network Settings, leave NAT as the default option. Select USB tab, and choose USB 2.0 or USB 3.0 controller, depending on your USB device or network adapter. These are the settings you need to change. Now, click OK to close the settings window. Step 6. Kali Linux installation. Click on Start to start Kali installation. When Kali is loading, select Graphical Installation. Then, select your language and location. Configure the keyboard and choose the layout that matches your keyboard. Follow the on-screen instructions. If you're new to my channel, feel free to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming ethical hacking videos. Enter a hostname, for example, Kali. You can leave the domain name blank. Now enter a full name and username for the new user account. Then enter a password and repeat it to confirm. Follow the on-screen instructions. For disk partitioning, select Guided, use entire disk and choose the virtual disk. Then select all files in one partition recommended for new users. Finally, click Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Then click Continue and click Yes and Continue. For the desktop environment selection, leave it as default and click Continue. Quick favor, like this video and comment your Wi-Fi adapter model. Helps me pick next hacking tool to cover. Now click Yes to install the Grub bootloader. Now select the HDD where you want to install Grub, as shown. Kali Linux has been successfully installed. Step 7. Start Kali Linux and perform updates. Please be patient as Kali Linux boots up. It may take a few moments. Now enter the username and password you set during the installation process. Now you can see the new look of the latest Kali Linux. Like this video if you love Kali Linux. To update Kali, go to the Start menu and search for Terminal. Then, type the following commands and press Enter. Sudo apt update. This updates the package list. Sudo apt upgrade. This upgrades all installed packages to the latest version. Hope this video helped. Watch part 2 for a demo of ethical hacking tools.